We need to
Simply what
create the
should we do?
list.
We
We
should
need to
create the
create the list.
list. We
Yes.
should create the list basically, and in that list, for in serial number, we should create first of all serial number. So serial number as a list, whatever we have here, and one serial number list we should create, and we should create one product list, state list, and salesperson list. So I will show how we will create that list. You can see serial number list. You can see serial number. You can see 10 serial number we have created, and other than that one, you can see product list. So product list also, each and every individual list, you can see each and everything we should create as a list format. We should create as a individual list. We need to create serial number should be our number format basically. So we should create the number format here. Why means, this is our we can use as a later, like anywhere we can use. If we use a dimension, as a we can use a dimension, and so many advantages we have. So for that one, this is a basic thing. And other than product product list, we have state and salesperson. You can see state, we can see what are the states we have, and you can see salesperson. So these list we should create here. So once if we create this one, so we have created different list, and what should we do?
We need
We
to
need to create one
create the
module.
module. Yeah.
We need to create one module. So in that module, you can see first with serial number 1 as a dimension, we need to create one module here. So with serial number 1, if I create one module, so this is, you can see the dimension, and we have done earlier same procedure. You can see product, state, salesperson, everything we need to take as a text, and we need to import this one as a first stage. And in second stage, what will we do? In second stage, what will we do? So we'll convert from the text to list by using the find item, correct?
Yes.
So we'll convert from text to list. You can see by using the find item, we'll convert the same thing. Once if we convert from text to list, you can see till this one we have completed. We earlier we have done same procedure. This is the extra procedure I am doing, I am showing here. So you can see here what is this procedure. So up to this procedure we know very well. Up to this procedure we have done earlier also. If I want to select here anything, if I want to select, so you can see state is there. If I want to see only sales, state wise my sales, apply the filter, and you can see state list is there, equal to which state I want. Andhra detail, Andhra state sales I want. So if I click on Andhra, only I can see the Andhra state list. I can see what is the sales happened and everything we can see here. So sales, you can see we have imported here total sales. So only Andhra detail you can see here. So this is a basic thing. So if we apply the, once if we convert from text to list, if I apply here any line item, any this product or state, sales person or time, if I go to here time, for example, if I remove this filter, if I click on time, if I apply the filter, which year I want check, for example 2018 or 19, whatever it, 20. So then what happened? So I didn't get anything. So why I didn't get anything here?
No data.
We need to clear. We need to clear here. So 2018 also we have some data here. You can see 2018 also we have you can get that one, but the thing is, so we need to do the proper filter here, and where we are doing mistake we need to understand. First of all, we need to remove 2020. I hope we don't have any data, correct? So 2000 up to we have only 2018 or 17, like that we have data. So if I take the 18, you will get the data, correct? 2018 we don't have any data, so I need to apply the filter for the 2018 here. We need to click on enable filter. Only I can see the 2018. So 2018 year details, whatever the sales happened, I can see. So why we don't getting the 2020 means, for 2020 we don't have any data here, correct? So that is the reason we are not getting. And even you can see, so here 2018 whatever the data they have provided 15, 16, 17, 18. So if I want to get 2015, 16, 17, 18, I need to include in the model calendar here. So that is the reason I have included 2020 is our present year. Past 5 years I have taken up to 15, so that I am getting here in the list format here. Find item of time year. Time year nothing but the text format. Anyway will get text to list. I want to, if I want to convert, I need to increase the that one. Otherwise, if I don't want to increase model calendar, in that scenario what should we do? We need to use the take as a list. Then we, by using the lookup formula, will get 15, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, whatever we have. So we should take as a list, and in one list item we should take as a items. Then by using the lookup we'll get the data here. So that is also one possibility we have, but this is the different way I have done. So I have added here 4 more years in past past years, so that I got here this data, interview selection module data I got. So once if I get this data, whatever the year we want to select, this is the way, one way we can select. So other than this one, we have one filter here, product filter, state filter, db filter. So what is these filters? So what are these filters means? So what they expect, whenever this is my, you can see. So what is this means? You can see generally in an interview, in real time what will we do? So what will we do means, any dashboard if we publish, if any dashboard we publish, what happened? I will select any state here. We don't do select here, apply the filter any end user, and don't do any selection, correct? Generally what happened, whatever the dashboard we publish, beside that one will provide some selection. Some selection will provide. This is a dimensionless selection. You can see dimensionless module will create and will provide the product in product format, state format, salesperson. These are the 3 formats you can see here. And if I select this one, how it works means, so if I select any state, for example, select the state. Select state means Andhra. If I select, if I come here, if I do refresh, here we need to apply the filter, state filter. So how we need to apply the state filter means, so here whatever the clear all the filters. So basically if I apply one filter here, state filter equal to, you can see, yes. So you can see, if we apply this filter, so you can see if I apply the state filter, so Andhra is there, I am getting the Andhra states. So instead of Andhra, if I select here Telangana, if I do the refresh here, I am getting Telangana here. Are you able to understand how these selections are working? Yes.
So Asubhai, this is in the same module, but you put the split view, window view,
Not same
and then you
module.
are selecting the state and
Interview selection
Mhm.
module. This is a data selection module. This is a dimensionless module. Just I
Mhm.
didn't show that logic to you. I will
Mm.
show that logic. State filter I have created here. State filter, product filter, DB filter I have created. So how this state filter formula we have? We need to understand this one. Just I have shown selection what they expect. If we publish these two in the UX pages, what this will be on the top position we will publish selection. If the selection on the any country or any state or whatever it, on the base of that one they should get the data here. So in this way generally in real time they will expect. So how this functionality will get, we you need to understand. So state filter if I want to get, for example, state filter if I want to get, what should I do? Basically whatever the filters we want to get, we need to product filter, state, and salesperson. So these we need to add here. Line item, list formatted line item we need to add. After adding,
So all for the interview, all the line items in the left side screen, all are like list items which are there in the right side one for the purpose of filters only. Right?
whatever the filter
In
you
this
need.
module, we could.
Yes.
So we created a module with all the list items as line items, and we selected them as a list type.
Not list item, product is a list,
Right?
state is a list, all the list only.
Left side,
All
left
list we
side,
are
left side.
creating the as a line item with list formatted line item.
Yeah, that's what. I did not see the module, how the structure is in the blueprint
This
view.
is only
That's
I am
what I'm
showing
trying
this
to.
one only line items. We have dimensionless module, data selection module.
Correct. But if it is one line or many lines, that's what I am trying to see.
Line items, not line. Line item, select product,
Hmm.
select state, select salesperson. Different line item I have created.
So
This
line items with respect to lists, right?
list
The
formatted.
types. Ah,
List
okay,
formatted. You can see product we have,
correct.
state, salesperson, whatever we have here, same things. List formatted line items I have created. Up to 3 only I have created. You can see 3 created. These are the different things. So we have created here. So, but you need to understand how state filter is working. If we are creating state filter, how it working, we need to understand here. State filter is there. I have created some product filter, state filter, and salesperson filter. So all I need to create here. If I want to work whatever the selection, for example, first understand one filter, state filter. State filter, how I have created for state, I have created one list format, list formatted line item with dimensionless module, and I have created boolean formatted state filter line item. I have used one formula here. What is my formula? Is blank data selection, is blank data selection module dot select state orr data selection module select state is equal to state list nothing but what I am taking here, list formatted line item I am taking here. In you can see state list, this one I am taking. So what is mean by it? This what is mean by this condition? Whenever if it is a blank, whenever it is a blank, what is mean by this condition? Whenever it is blank, I should get the, if it is a is blank nothing but it should get true. All products I should get true here. All states I should get the true here. Otherwise, data selection state is equal to data here. If whatever if I select state, then only that related data only I should get. That is the meaning of this condition. So you can see. So what is the condition I am providing here? is blank of data selection or select state, you can see. So if it is blank, then what should we get? We'll get
Blank.
All states.
all states we should get. If it is blank, our data selection, if you have selected something, our data selection state is equal to state list. State list means whatever the state you select. So then what should we get? That state only we should
Same
get.
state.
Same state details only I should get. I am writing logic to state filter and I am applying to this saved view. So I am writing that condition, I am applying to this module in the saved view. If I do this one, what happened? Whenever if I select any state, I didn't select anything, then I will do the refresh here. I am getting all states. If I select some state here, Tamil Nadu, I will do the refresh. Tamil Nadu detail only I will get for the state filter. This is for only one filter I have shown here. Is blank of data selection, whatever the module we have created and that we are taking, or our data selection state is equal to that list formatted line item we are taking. Whatever we select there, that will see. This is for only one filter. If I want to select product as well, product and salesperson and 2 3 combination I want. For that purpose, what will we do? For that purpose, what will we do? Generally, for that purpose, what will we do? We'll create the state filter individually. State filter individually will create. Product filter individually create. Salesperson, everything will create. And in here, what will we do? In DB filter, product filter or state filter, we'll write one DB filter. Here we'll add product filter or state filter or salesperson filter. Whatever the individually we have written, that will write formula. And then what happens? Simply we'll remove. Will finally what filter will apply in our condition? Simply DB filter will apply. So DB filter, if I apply here, what happened? It will work for the all filters whatever I have applied here. Simply I have applied the DB filter here. Now you can see the here DB filter I have applied. Then what happened? If I select here Tamil Nadu, I will select the different thing, Tamil Nadu and product. I will do the refresh. I will get, you can see Tamil Nadu state details I will get, and along with Tamil Nadu, Andhra also I got here. Why I got Andhra? I have selected coffee maker here, product. So both the rules it will get work. So whatever the conditions will, in DB filter we have given the 3 conditions. 2 conditions I have given, product and salesperson. I didn't created sales filter here. So if I select something, I didn't get any effect here. If I do whatever it A C I we have, if I select B, it doesn't affect. Why means I didn't create any filter. B I am not getting. If I want to get B here, salesperson, what should I do? I need to create here one more filter. Correct? Beside the state filter, I need to create one more filter, salesperson filter. I didn't create salesperson filter. Salesperson filter. And what should I do? What is the formula should I write for this salesperson filter? Format should be
Boolean.
Boolean. So what formula should we write here? What we are trying to write is blank of is
Sales.
Select
blank
state person.
is blank of here we should take here sales
Select state person.
data selection sales module ORR.
Or
This is equal to
same.
this is equal to here we need to take state person list format, salesperson list format. This line item we should take. You can check the formulas I will show the, you can see same formula, nothing is there. If I apply this one, and I need to add in this db filter as well. Db filter I have added only two filters. I need to add
Parcel.
the combination ORR, which filter, salesperson filter as well. So if I apply this one, so invalid data type or operator, boolean format text, so expected
That
data type
state
or,
filter, that state filter is gone actually. One only
okay,
the state is there.
state
Filter
is
was
there,
all
state filter
erased.
is
Yeah.
something is, uh, yes, state we got here, we need to remove here, state filter we need to select, yes, yes. Now I have selected B here. Then what happened, you can see. Now you can see you got B as well. Whatever the selection I have done here, that one also it considered, and I got here. Correct? So in this way it will work. So um, so whatever the filters, all filters if I want to add, I need to add in the DB filter, and in the DB filter I need to add, and so multiple filters if I want to work, create individual filter and keep in the db filter, apply the db filter, and whatever the selection you make here, simply that selections you will get. Karnataka if I select, so you can see I will get the Karnataka details here. If I refresh, so you can see Karnataka details I am getting. So why I am getting Telangana means, so this is the B, salesperson B I have selected, and coffee maker product A I have selected. This way it will work. If I want only one filter I should work means, state or salesperson or whatever it, we should select only one filter and we need to apply the DB. Apply the this module saved view, by after creating the saved view we need to apply that one. Is it clear how it is working? Yes.
Yes, yes.
So you can see these formulas for uh, filters and everything. So you can see, so if I want to see here filter, how I am applying the filter means, is blank of data selection or data selection is equal to this one. I can create this formula by if then else as well. One more method, you can see that one same way, nothing is there. If is blank of data selection dot select product then true, else data selection is equal to, by I have removed if then else and I have inserted R, that's it. So this is a two way I have, in two ways I have created, just with if then else. If is blank of data selection select product then true means, if it is a empty, everything is blank, we should get the true, nothing but every data I should get, every state data. Else data selection, if you have give something there, particular product, whatever the product list from that this product list, then what happened, that product list only it should show. So that one, if I apply this filter only, that only work. But we are applying the 2 3 filters, we are applying creating 2 3 filters, and we are applying in one final filter like db filter. And this if we implement to the this saved view, so whatever the selection we do here in data selection module, that data, all data we can see. So in generally in UX pages we will publish these two things. Selection module will be, data selection module will be there on top, and remaining thing will be this normal, this grid view will be there in the bottom. Whatever the selection do will on top, that we can see in the bottom. Is it clear how we are doing this one?
So are we saving this now as a view? This is a module which we work with the logic.
Yes, Balakrishna, are you saying something?
Yes, yes. So at this moment, we worked in this in modules. Then we are going to save it as a view.
Yes, in saved view only we only saved views only will publish in UX pages, correct?
Correct. Yeah,
We
correct.
don't directly publish all these line items and everything. Only whatever the data we want, that only will publish. These are the you have DB filter, all these filters we have. We don't show product filter, salesperson filter, everything there. Only whatever the data we need, that only will show.
Okay, selection and view. Okay. Hmm.
These are the extra
Either,
line items, no? Product filters
ah,
and everything they
either way we
don't
can
need.
do.
They need only selection and this data module, data only will show. That's it. We don't show all the line items.
So we can work with this as well in UX pages. Either we can go with a custom view or else we can do the view itself here and then
Yes,
directly we will put it.
both the way. Whatever the way
Ah,
we do, but we should show only few, whatever the data end user need, that only we show. We don't show
yes.
all the things. So this is the thing. So this is a very important one. Everyone should do this one, and you can see how they are asking. So I hope everyone is clear. Try to implement this one. This is very important one. You otherwise you will get confused here. If I explain more things, we have another concept, DCA concept. I will explain tomorrow. So, but till that everyone implement this one. I will show. I will share even recorded session of this one as